So the plan is to install the original headlights instead of the aftermarket, and also install the light kit. OPT7. For the high beam and a low beam, and should be a really quick installation. Let's do it. So you need a 10 millimeter, and there is a one, two, and three, and four nuts to take off. Okay, first of all, because it had an LED lights, so I need to cut them off first. And put some fresh tape on over open wiring, just like this. If anyone interesting, I'm gonna sell those aftermarket lights. There is nothing wrong, but I have a different plans for the original ones. Let's take the 4 nuts. It's very easy to take them off. Before you're taking the last nut, make sure you disconnect all the wiring first, so the headlight will not develop the drop down and the wiring with them. Just like this, just like this. So hold it from the front, the headlight, and it goes down. Here we go. And let's install the new one. Just make sure you take the original turn signal because you already have one saved. But this is if you're replacing the headlight, but if you never had one, so you have to use all the wiring and all the stuff. Okay, one nut is good to go. take the 10mm socket and firmly hand tight it. I don't do those pounds, like torque pounds or something. You got to feel it, you know, just make it tight. So the originally you would just have to plug everything back, bam bam, but I'm going to install those aftermarket lights, so I'm going to install those lights. Let's see what they come with. So lights, instruction, this stuff, and lights itself. So this is not like some cheap stuff. It's pretty expensive one. It's supposed to be branded. I already went through lots of wires, lights, wires. So just spin it, take the light out. Just make sure you see where is this like straight, and just find in a light. Look also from the other side. Spin it. So the red goes to red. There is also notch here, and just tie it. So this is gonna be high beam. Side. And plug it in. So I have no idea it's gonna be this way or this way, but when you turn on your lights and you will see. Also comes with an adapter if it's like different design or something like that. And let's do the other side. This is your low beam, high beam. Take out the old one. H11 for the low beam and high beam. Look for the straight line. Look same here. Gently put it inside. Lock it. Every different brands have its own wiring and all this stuff. So this particular brand, it's like, to me it's actually new, because I used to just buy some cheap one on eBay, $20. Works just fine. So I want to actually test it. If more expensive brand worth of buying or not. I hope it is worth of buying. And also same thing, connected till it clicks, and just close the cover. Let's turn on the lights and see how big is the difference. So this is the one we just changed, and this is the original. Let's close the hood and see the difference. And actually, let's turn on the high beams. Original and aftermarket. Aftermarket, of course, looks way better. So guys, this was like a very quick, fast install of the headlights. Two original ones, from aftermarket to original one. It's about like 15-minute job, nothing hard or anything. Let's see how they look. They look nice. Let's hit the road.